Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Understanding Concepts. In today's session, we are going to discuss binary division. And as you know, in the binary arithmetic, we are having different four functions or operations, that is the binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. And the other operations as the addition and subtraction and multiplication, we are having the different videos. You can check the link given in the description box. In today's session, we will be only discussing about the binary division. So first of all, going through the very basic rules of the binary division. The first rule is, you can see here, as 1 divided by 1 will be equal to 1. Next, if you have to divide 0 by 1, then the result will be equal to 0, the division. And if you have to divide the 1 by 0, then this is not a valid division. That is, it's not valid and we are not going to use this in the division method. And next, one more option may be there, that is 0 divided by 0. This is also not valid. That means 0 cannot be divided by 0, so we are not going to use these two options. So we will be taking 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1, and 0 divided by 1 is equal to 0. So now we will be taking some examples to understand the concept. Suppose we are having a number that is 110, and that is to be divided by 10. So we will be using the same method that we were using in the decimal division. Like, when we are going to divide 110 with 10, then you can here take the two digits, and this 10, here we will multiply that by 1. 10 into 1 will be equal to 10. Now, as we were doing in the decimal division, just subtract these numbers. 1 minus 10, 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0 over here. Now take this 0 downwards here. Now this is again 10. You can neglect this 0, that is a very on the very left hand side of the number. Like, this is now 10. 10 again multiplied by 1 will be equal to 10. I will be taking here 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. That means the division part is done now. And now you can recheck the answer as 110. This 110 is basically, you can see it's 6, and this 10 is 2. When 6 is divided by 2, then the result must be equal to 3. Now you can see this 1 this is also equal to 3. So this 110 divided by 10 will be equal to 1, right? So taking one more example, suppose now we have to divide 1111 by 10. So we are going to again subtract this number with the same method. We are going to here take 10 like this. I will be going to consider these two digits. So 10 when multiplied by 1 will be equal to 10. I will going to write over here and subtract this. 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. I will be taking this 1 downwards. Here it will be 1. This 0 on the very left hand side can be neglected. So again 10 multiplied by 1 will be equal to 10. Again subtract this. 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. Take this 1 downsides. It will be again 1, and this 0 can be neglected. So 10 into 1 will be 10, and this is 1 over here, and this is 0. So this cannot be divided further. So here you can see this is the you can consider that as quotient, and this is the remainder. So to recheck the number, you can see this is 1111, this number is a 15, and this is 10 is 2 when divided. The 15 when divided by 2, that means 7 will be the quotient, and 1 will be the remainder. So here you can see 111 is the quotient, and 01, that is the remainder. So this is how we are going to perform the division. So for the other videos, you can check the link in the description box, and if you have not still subscribed my channel, do subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.